Have you ever thought about building your dream home in 4 acres of land with access to the Merrimack River here in the beautiful northeast region of Massachusetts? Well, my name is Will Molina of Realty One Group Nest, powered by the Olivares and Molina team. You need to check out this lot. It's amazing. This amazing land located at 18 Norino Drive in West Newbury is surrounded by beautiful mature trees to provide your private oasis. Walk out of your new home to your own future private dock with a marine funicular to access the Merrimack River for your boating lifestyle. You can take those adventurous boat rides and watch the amazing sunsets here in the northeast of Massachusetts with access by boat to Newburyport, Mass, and a great fishing experience in the mouth of the Merrimack River.